Jay Bruckshaw from Chosen Hill School. Hold the applause. As he comes up, Jay enjoys ICT, especially coding and video editing, and he would like to be a cyber security specialist at MI5 or MI6. Jay, first fail, mate. You can't tell him that. No, that's awesome. Huge round of applause for Jay.
Picture this, flying through space and time at the speed of light, defying all relativity and physics. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, there's one small problem, and by that, I mean there's a massive issue, and that is a black hole. Now, black holes are immense structures, yet we only know so much about them. As the nearest one is thousands of light years away, everything we think we know is purely theoretical. The first idea of a black hole came about in 1916 by none other than the great Sir Albert Einstein. Then later, in 1968, the term black hole was chosen by astronomer John Wheeler. And finally, in 1971, the first black hole was seen. However, we can't actually see black holes. This is partly due to the fact that they are black, and so is space, but mainly because nothing can escape their pull, not even light, so they give off no reflection or indication of their whereabouts. Yet they do give off a very distinctive radiation, and using this, we can try and pinpoint their location. That's how we know there's one at the center of our universe, the center of our galaxy, the center of our solar system, the Milky Way. Their formation is also one of the rarest things, as it happens when a massive star collapses under itself. And this black hole will keep growing in size due to the mass it takes in from its exponential gravitational pull. There's two main parts to a black hole, the event horizon and the singularity. Now, the event horizon acts almost like the Earth's crust, a surrounding barrier which once passed, you start to feel the gravitational pull. However, this pull will be the end, as nothing can escape it. It can get so strong that the escape velocity would have to be the speed of light, or 186,282 miles per hour. Nothing man-made even comes close to this speed. One of the fastest man-made objects was the Apollo 11 shuttle, and that only reached a mere 25,000 miles an hour on its escape of Earth's atmosphere. This isn't even a seventh of the way, so as you can see, we're very far off. Yet there is one good thing. This bit probably wouldn't kill you. The next bit would. The singularity is at the center of all black holes, kind of like the Earth's core. This is where all your atoms are split up and set out into one long line. This process is known as spaghettification, and the name was chosen by what was the world's greatest physicist, Stephen Hawking, whose discoveries have allowed us to know this much about these wonderful marvels, black holes.
Thanks, Jay. Joe, do you want to kick us off?
Well done, Jay. It was a nicely well thought out presentation. I like the pace that you delivered it. You obviously were enthusiastic and passionate about the subject. What was it that made you choose this particular topic?
Well, I think I was sort of flicking through topics, and I sort of remembered a scene in Star Trek when Spock makes this massive black hole out of that red matter, and it sort of got me thinking, how are they made? So I thought I might as well do it on that.
Star Trek inspired, always love it. Who wants to jump in with another one? Jamie?
So was that something that you saw and thought that would be a great FameLab topic, or is it something that you saw in Star Trek and is there lots of kind of science things that you're interested in, or was that you saw it and thought that would make a great talk? So was it you knew about the subject, or did you pick the topic and research?
Well, I hadn't really known much about them before, but they are such an intriguing thing, because obviously no one really knows how they work, and how they can just make something disappear endlessly and break time and space is quite a cool thing, so I thought I'd quite like to know more about this.
And it means you can use the phrase spaghettification
Yes,
on stage, which is awesome. Thank you very much. Give them a huge round of applause.